In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini for deep research to generate multi-page reports with artificial intelligence. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating detailed, well-structured reports effortlessly, all in about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to open Gemini. It's essential to start by launching the application, making sure you have it downloaded and properly installed if you haven't already. Once you've got Gemini up and running, head over to the Tools menu. This is where you'll find a variety of options to assist with your research tasks. From the drop-down menu, select Deep Research. This tool is your gateway to unlocking advanced data processing and research capabilities. Next, it's time to define your research topic. Be as clear and concise as possible with your subject matter. This clarity will help Gemini understand exactly what you need. Type in your prompt carefully, making sure you include any specific questions or areas of focus. The more precise you are at this stage, the better the results will be. Now, if you have any supporting materials like academic papers, datasets, or previous research documents, you can upload them. While this step is optional, it can significantly enhance the depth and accuracy of the report Gemini will generate for you. These materials provide additional context and information that Gemini can incorporate into your report. After you've set everything up, let Gemini do its magic. The AI will generate an outline or research plan for you. This will give you a structured overview of how your report will be organized. It's a time to sit back and let the technology compile data, draw conclusions, and organize information in a coherent manner. Once the draft is ready, it's crucial to review it thoroughly. Take some time to read through the content, making notes of any sections that may need refining or expanding. You can interact with Gemini to request these changes, whether it's adding more details to a particular section or clarifying complex points. This step ensures that the report meets your expectations and requirements. Finally, when you're satisfied with your polished draft, you can export your work. Gemini provides options to save your report in various formats, allowing you to choose one that best suits your needs. With just a few clicks, you'll have a comprehensive, professionally structured report ready for use. And there you have it. Creating multi-page reports with Gemini is not only fast, but also efficient thanks to the power of AI. Whether for academic purposes, professional projects, or personal research, this tool can be a valuable asset in your toolkit. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.